And what is n? So a die is thrown 6 times, n is equal to 6. The probability of x is greater than or equal to 5 means x is equal to 5 and probability of x is equal to 6. Doublet means 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now in my previous class we have discussed regarding the problems based on a binomial distribution. Now today also I am going to take few more problems based on this binomial distribution. Now let us come to a first problem. A die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number is a success. A die is thrown how many times? 6 times. If a die is thrown 6 times, if getting an odd number is a success, what is the probability of 5 success, at least 5 success and at most 5 success? So, here at least, here first one is the 5 successes and second condition is at least 5 successes and third condition is at most 5 successes. Now, what is the condition given? A die is thrown 6 times. If a die is thrown 6 times, if getting an odd number is a success. Suppose here getting an odd number. So here x can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So getting an odd number, how many odd numbers are 3? So 3 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So here p is equal to 1 by 2. Getting an odd number is 1 by 2. And what is q? Q is equal to 1 minus p. That is 1 minus 1 by 2. This is also equal to 1 by 2. So q is also equal to 1 by 2. Let p represents the number of success. So if p represents the number of success, then the number of success is given by, since getting an odd number is 3 divided by 6, that's equal to 1 by 2. So the number of success is 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 1 by 2, q is equal to 1 by 2. So p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is also equal to 1 by 2. Whereas n, what is n? N is nothing but a die is thrown 6 times. So n is equal to 6. Okay, these are the given conditions. That is, if p is the probability of success, then p is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And q is equal to 1 minus p, that is 1 by 2, and n is equal to 6 because a die is thrown 6 times. Now let x denote the number of success. Number of success is nothing but getting an odd number. So here let x denotes the number of success. The possible values of x are, x can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Suppose if let x denotes the number of success, then the possible values of successes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And x is equal to 1 to 6. Now write down the general formula using Bernoulli's distribution. Using Bernoulli's distribution, now we can write probability of x, that is equal to NCx q to the power of n minus x into p to the power of x. Okay, this is the general term, NCx q to the power of n minus x into p to the power of x. So that is, this is nothing but NC. If you want, we can also write NCr p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. One and the same. So that is probability of x is equal to n. What is n? 6cx p to the power of, what is p? 1 by 2 to the power of x into q. What is q? 1 by 2 to the power of 6 minus x. So since this 1 by 2 power 1 over 2 to the power of x into 1 by 2 to the power of 6 minus x can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of x plus 6 minus x. This is 1 by 2 power 6. So this can be written as 6cx into 1 by 2 to the power of 6. This is the general term for probability of x. So using Bernoulli's distribution, so we can write p of x is equal to 6cx 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Now let us come to the case number 1. What is the case 1? The first case is 5 successes. Now So I will go to the next page. Probability of x is equal to 6cx. Now probability of x is equal to 6cx into 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Now first case number 1. 5 successes. 5 successes means P of x is equal to 5. So P of x is equal to 5 is nothing but 6c5 1 by 2 to the power of 6. So this is equal to 6c5. Find out the value of 6c5. Factorial 6 divided by factorial 5 into 5 minus 6 minus 5 is 1. This is equal to 6. 6 into 1 over 2 to the power of 6. So 2 power 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, 16 is 32 into 2 is 64. So this is 64. 6 by 64. If you want, you can divide by 2. 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 by 32. So probability of x is equal to 5. 5 success is 3 by 32. This is the first case. So let us come to the first case. The probability of 5 successes is given by P of x is equal to 5. So that is 6c x is 5, 6c5 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6. 6c5 is 6 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6 is 1 by 64. That's equal to 3 divided by 32. The first answer is 3 by 32. Hope you followed. Okay. Now let us come to the second case. What is the second case? At least 5 success. 5 success means the probability of x is greater than or equal to 5. So 5 success means x is greater than or equal to 5. So this is nothing but probability of x is equal to 5 plus probability of x is equal to 6. Now since we know this, the probability of x is equal to 6cx into 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Now substitute here. When x is equal to 5, this is 6c5 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6 plus when x is equal to 6, 6c6 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Now what is the value of 6c5? 6c5 is equal to 6 and the value of 6c6 is equal to 1. This is 6 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6 is nothing but 64 plus 6c6 is 1 into 1 by 2 to the power of this 6. 1 by 2 to the power of 6 is 64. Now this is, you can take LCM. 64 is LCM. 6 into 1 is 6 plus 1. This is equal to 7 divided by 64. So therefore the probability of x greater than or equal to 5 is equal to 7 by 64. Means the number at least 5 success is given by 7 by 64. This is the case 2. Now let us come to the next case. What is the next case? At most 5 success. At most 5 success, that is nothing but the probability of x less than or equal to 5. At most 5 success. 5 success means x is less than or equal to 5. Now this can also be written as 1 minus probability of x is equal to 6. So 1 minus, since we know what is the probability of x is equal to 6, when x is equal to 6, this is 1 into 1 by 64. So this is 1 by 64. So at x is equal to 6, we will get probability of x is equal to 6 is 1 by 64. Take LCM. 64 is LCM. 64 minus 1 is 63 divided by 64. Right. So therefore at most 5 success is given by 63 divided by 64. This is the required answer. So what is the first condition? 5 success. 5 success means probability of x is equal to 5. You will get 3 by 32. Next, second condition, at least 5 success means x is greater than or equal to 5 means probability of x is equal to 5 plus probability of x is equal to 6. So you are going to get 7 by 64. And the third case is at most 5 success means the probability of x is less than or equal to 5, or that is also equal to 1 minus probability of x is equal to 6. That's equal to 63 divided by 64. So this is the required answer for the problem. Now let us come to the next problem, a similar type problem. What is the problem given? A fair dice A 5 dice is thrown 4 times. How many times? 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered as a success, getting a doublet. Doublet means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Find the probability of 2 success. So what is required to find is the probability of 2 success. A fair die is thrown how many times? 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered as a success, getting a doublet is considered as a success, find the probability of 2 success. Okay, this is the problem given. Let us define. Let P be the probability of getting a doublet as a success. Let P denotes the probability of getting a doublet as a success. So therefore, what are the possible values? So therefore, the possible doublets are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. So therefore, P can be written as the possible doublets. P is equal to 6 divided by 36. That's equal to 1 by 6. 6 divided by 36. Now, whereas Q, therefore Q can be written as Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6. That's equal to 5 by 6. Okay. So P is equal to 1 by 6 and Q is equal to 5 by 6. Now, what is given? A die is thrown 4 times. So therefore, N is equal to 4. Then, find the probability of getting 2 success. Probability of getting 2 success. Now, listen to me. Let P denotes the probability of getting a doublet as a success. Then the possible doublets are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. Therefore, P is equal to 6 by 36. That is 1 by 6. And Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. And N is equal to 4. A die is thrown 4 times. Therefore, N is equal to 4. Now, come to the probability of, now, using Bernoulli's probability of X is equal to X is given by NCX into P to the power of X into Q to the power of N minus X. Now, here what is N? N is equal to 4CX into P. What is P? P is equal to 1 by 6 to the power of X. Q. What is Q? Q is equal to 5 by 6 to the power of N is 4 minus X. So, this is 4 minus X. Now, what is the first condition given? Find the probability of 2 success. 2 success means when X is equal to 2. That is, probability of X is equal to 2 is given by 4C2 1 by 6 to the power of 2 into 5 by 6 to the power of 4 minus 2. If you simplify this, you will get 4C2 into 1 by 6 to the power of 2 into 5 by 6 to the power of 2. Find out the value of 4C2. 4C2 is nothing but factorial 4 divided by 2 into 4 minus 2. So, this is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. This is 2 3 is a 6. So, 6 into 1 by 6 is nothing but 6 6 are 36 and 5 square is equal to 25 divided by 6 6 are 36. So, this gets cancelled, 6 6 are 36. So, this is equal to 25 divided by 6 into 36. 36 into 6 is 216. So, this is 25 divided by 216. So, therefore, probability of X is equal to 2 is 25 divided by 216. The probability of 2 success is 25 divided by 216. See here. Now, probability of X is equal to X, we know the formula using Bernoulli's distribution, that is NCX P to the power of X into Q to the power of N minus X. 4CX, P is 1 by 6 to the power of X into Q is 5 by 6 to the power of 4 minus X. Now, X is equal to 2. When X is equal to 2, 4C2 1 by 6 to whole square into 5 by 6 whole raised to 4 minus 2. 4C2 1 by 6 whole square into 5 by 6 whole square. 462 is nothing but 6 into 1 by 36 into 25 by 36. 6 6 gets cancelled. So, 25 divided by 6 into 36 is 216. So therefore P of x is equal to 2 is 25 divided by 216. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Now what is the problem? This is also a very important problem. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement. So 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that all the 5 cards are spades, only 3 cards are spade, none is spade? So all the 5 cards are spades, only 3 cards are spades, and none is a spade. So 5 cards are drawn. How many cards we are drawing? 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that all the 5 cards are spade, only 3 cards are spade, none of them are a spade? This is also a very important problem. Now let us come to the solution. How many cards we are drawing? 5. So n is equal to 5. Now the probability. So 5 cards are drawn successfully with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So what is the probability that all the 5 cards are spades? Spades here, probability of getting a spade is nothing but 13 divided by 52. So that's equal to 1 divided by 4. So P is equal to 13 divided by 52, that is equal to 1 by 4. What is Q then? Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3 by 4. So Q is equal to 3 by 4. Now what is the general formula? Probability of x is equal to x is given by NCX P to the power of x into Q to the power of n minus x. So this is equal to, what is n here? N is equal to 5cx into P. P is, what is P? P is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power of x into Q. What is Q? Q is equal to 3 by 4 to the power of n. N is 5 minus x. This is the general formula using Bernoulli's trial. So that is probability of x is equal to x is given by 5cx 1 by 4 to the power of x into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus x. Now let us come to the first case. What is the first case? All the 5 cards are spades. So first, all the 5 cards are spade means probability of x is equal to 5. We know P of x is equal to x. What we got from the previous derivation, that is n 5cx into 1 by 4 to the power of x into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus x. So here this is equal to, when x is equal to 5, 5c5 into 1 by 4 to the power of 5 into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 5. So 5c5 into 1 by 4 to the power of 5 into 3 by 4 to the power of 0. 5c5 is 1. 1 by 4 to the power of 5 into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 is 1. So if you multiply 4 5 times, so 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 32, 32 into 2 is 64, 64 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 1, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25, 256. Okay, let me explain. All the 5 cards are spades, that is P of x is equal to 5. P of x is equal to 5, we know the general formula here, what we got from the previous. 5 P of x is equal to x is 5cx 1 by 4 to the power of x into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus x. Put x is equal to 5, 5c5, 5c5, if you put x is equal to 5, you will get 5c5 1 by 4 to the power of 5 into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 5. So what is this equal to? This is 5c5 1 by 4 to the power of 5, 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 5 is 0. Now let me simplify this. So 5c5 is 1. This is 1 divided by 4 to the power of 5 into 3 by 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Now this is 1 into 1 divided by 4 to the power of 5. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 into 4 is 256. 256 into 4 is 1024. So this is 1 divided by 1024 into 1 is 1 divided by 1024. So the probability of all the 5 cards are spade is, so 1 divided by 1024. This is the required answer. So all the 5 cards are spade is given by 1 divided by 1024. Okay. So just put x is equal to 5 and simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Now let us come to the case 2. What is the case 2? Only 3 cards are spades. That means P of x is equal to 3. So what we got? P of x is equal to x is given by what we have obtained, that is 5cx 1 by 4 to the power of x into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus x. Now put x is equal to 3 here. Then probability of x is equal to 3 is 5c3 1 by 4 to the power of 3 into 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 3. So this is 5c3 1 by 4 whole cube into 3 by 4 whole square. Now find out the value of 5c3. Now 5c3 is nothing but factorial 5 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 2. This is 5 into 4 divided by 3 gets cancelled, 2 into 1, 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to 10. So this can be written as 10 into 1 divided by 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 into 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 square, 4 4s are 16. This is equal to, you can simplify this. How to simplify this? So divide from 2. So this is 2 5s are 2 8s are. Okay. So 10 into 1 by 64 into 9 by 16. So 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, and if we cannot divide it, 5 into 9 divided by 64 into 8. So this is nothing but 5 into 9, 45 divided by 64 into 8. 64 into 8 is nothing but 512. 5 into 9 by 64 into 8, that's equal to 45 divided by 512. So therefore probability of x is equal to 3. That means only 3 cards are spade is given by 45 divided by 512. This is the second answer. Okay. Hope you followed. Come to the case 3. In case 3, none is a spade. None of them is spade means probability of x is equal to 0. Now we know P of x is equal to x is given by, what is the answer we have? So this is, that is P of x is equal to x is 5cx into 1 by 4 to the power of x into 3 by 4, it is 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus x. 3 by 4. Now put x is equal to 0. Then we will get probability of x is equal to 0. 5c0 1 by 4 to the power of 0. 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 0. This is 5c0 1 by 4 to the power of 0. 3 by 4 to the power of 5. 5c0 is 1. 1 by 4 to the power of 0 is again 1 into this is 3 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5. So this is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 3 to the power of 5. 3 into 3 into 3. If you multiply 3 power 5 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 81 into 3 is 243. So this is 243 divided by, if you multiply 4 5 times, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, so you will get 1024. This is 1024. 243 divided by 1024. Okay. So therefore the required answer, probability of none of them is spade, is P of x is equal to 0 is 243 divided by 10 to 1024. 1024. Hence, the required probability, none of them is a spade, is 243 divided by 1024. That's all. So, that is regarding this problem is concerned. Okay. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with different problems in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.